Madre mía.
Esto horroroso, la dana se nos viene aquí. Esto es el Boulevard de Vica.
Heavy rains in Balanegra have caused the Los Infantes and Balanegra rivers to overflow significantly, leading to multiple floodings as they flow through the municipality. Although the rainfall has been somewhat less intense in this area, the convergence of both water flows has resulted in dramatic flooding, with shocking videos capturing the extent of the damage.
Esto es bestial, tío, lo que va para Balanegra,
In response, the Junta de Andalucía has activated the pre-emergency phase at operational level 0 of the flood risk emergency plan for the province. The heavy rains have led to substantial accumulated rainfall in various parts of the province, with Aguadulce experiencing some of the highest totals. The Benanar Canal recorded 41.5 millimeters of rainfall per square meter over the last 12 hours, one of the highest in the entire province.
Mira cómo va la Rambla, señores. Dios santo.
En 15 minutos. Joder.
Gergal, another area heavily affected, recorded 35.9 millimeters in the same period. The downpours in the province of Almeria have necessitated the activation of the Special Flood Risk Emergency Plan for Andalusia in the pre-emergency phase. The intense rain has already resulted in the closure of the A7 highway towards Malaga near the ITV inspection station. This plan was enacted following yellow and orange alerts forecasted over the coming days for the eastern region of Almeria. Currently, the 112 Emergency Coordination Center is monitoring the ongoing weather events. Initial incidents have been reported at kilometer 831 of the A7 in the Almeria province near Balanegra.
Los coches parados, atascados.
With additional issues arising from water accumulation on the AL3303 road in El Ejido.
El coche, mira, subiendo la vía.
In Vica, rainfall has been particularly intense, with 38.2 millimeters recorded in La Envía. In Pampanico, there have been issues with overflowing sewers, though fortunately no personal injuries have been reported thus far. Between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m., both Poniente and the capital of Almeria remain under yellow alert due to a forecast of 50 millimeters of rainfall expected within 12 hours, with potential thunderstorms, a forecast already exceeded in the areas with the heaviest rainfall.